I'm gonna confess, I'm a dummy. I had someone described this video to me, and I thought that Travis Barker was dressing up like an elf on the shelf. Is why
What
I
is
said
the
I was
elf on the shelf
surprised.
dressing up as Travis?
Yeah, but this is all to celebrate Kourtney, the birthday of Kourtney's kids, Mason and Rain, who are 12 and 7 now. Born on the same day. I didn't know that either. But check out their elf on the shelf celebration for the birthday. Alright, they did use Travis's music.
Blink-182's music.
Right. Yeah, you had all the small things, see, and you have the little elves on the shelf.
Well, you know, guys, I appreciate the creativity here, calling it Elf 182, and there's even a little doll that's dressed up as Travis Barker. But unless these kids aren't huge fans of Blink-182, this feels like more of a gift for Travis more than anything. The whole setup here is for L182. What? Come on. Why do I deserve credit?
Everybody knows Blink-182, and this is like their soon-to-be stepdad. They know what he does.
Exactly. Nice celebration. But it would have been cool if you dressed up like an elf.
That would be really cool.
We'll see you tomorrow.